10 survival skills you need in Africa. If you're traveling to Africa, here are 10 survival skills that could literally save your life. From finding clean water to avoiding dangerous wildlife, these are the essentials every traveler should know. Skill number 1. Finding safe drinking water. First, water. Always choose running streams over stagnant ponds. If in doubt, boil it, filter it, or use purification tablets. Watch for animal tracks and green vegetation. They often lead to hidden water sources. Skill number 2. Fire starting. Fire isn't just for warmth. It keeps wild animals away and lets you cook safely. Always carry a lighter, but if you lose it, palm fibers or dry grass can help you master the local friction method. Skill number 3. African food and cooking hacks. Food survival means knowing what's safe to eat. Cassava, yam, baobab, fruit, and moringa leaves are common staples. Many communities steam food in banana leaves or bake with hot stones, quick, simple, and delicious. Food survival means knowing what's safe to eat. Cassava, yam, baobab, fruit, and moringa leaves are common staples. Many communities steam food in banana leaves or bake with hot stones, quick, simple, and delicious. Skill number 4. Navigation without GPS. Lost. Use the sun east in the morning, west in the evening. At night, the Southern Cross points south. Even termite mounds often lean west from sun exposure and rivers. They usually lead to villages. Skill number 5. Building a shelter fast. Shelter is protection. A simple lean-to from palm leaves or elephant grass can be built in under an hour. Raise it off the ground if possible. It keeps snakes and insects away. Skill number 6. Avoiding wildlife dangers. Africa's wildlife is incredible, but dangerous. Stay calm, never run. Learn warning signs. Elephants flap ears, buffalo snort. Travel in groups, carry a walking stick, and avoid waterholes at dawn and dusk. Skill number 7. Village etiquette and safety text. Survival isn't just about nature, it's about people. Always greet elders respectfully. Ask before taking photos. And don't walk into a home uninvited. Respect earns trust, and trust earns safety. Skill number 8. Using local plants for first aid. Nature heals. Aloe vera soothes burns, neem leaves fight infection, and baobab fruit helps with hydration. But be careful, always confer with locals before using unknown plants. Skill number 9. Packing smart for Africa. Pack light but smart. Bring breathable clothes, mosquito net, reusable water bottle with filter, sturdy boots, flashlight, and a small first aid kit. Respectful clothing also goes a long way in villages. Skill number 10. Survival mindset. Finally, the survival mindset. Stay calm. Adapt to unexpected situations. And above all, respect the culture and people you meet. Survival isn't just physical, it's mental and cultural.
So, which skill surprised you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Africa survival and travel tips. Stay safe and travel smart.